how to select your weekly recipes from HelloFresh. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, are you ready to pick your meals for the week? Well, here is how to select your weekly recipes using the HelloFresh mobile app. So, now without further ado, let's get started. So, first thing first, open the HelloFresh app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on My Menu at the bottom of the screen, and there you'll see all your upcoming deliveries. So there you can simply swipe left or right to find the week that you want to customize, and after that you simply have to browse available recipes and tap select or swap to pick your favorites. So there, make sure to save your selection to confirm your menu, and that's it. That's how you can easily pick your HelloFresh recipes for the week. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.